Welcome to the Man's Style Decree, the ultimate guide for men over 40 who want to master casual style with confidence and elegance. In today's video, we're exploring 10 casual style mistakes every man over 40 still makes, and more importantly, how to fix them effortlessly with autumn-ready outfits. If you're ready to elevate your look, stay tuned for practical tips, layering secrets, and outfit strategies that actually work. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because the Man's Style Decree is where mature men transform their style and project timeless sophistication. 1. Wearing oversized clothes that hide your shape. Oversized clothing is one of the biggest style traps for men over 50. While comfort is important, wearing clothes that are too loose hides your physique and makes you appear heavier and less confident. Modern men's casual wear should emphasize structure without restricting movement. Slim-fit shirts that follow shoulder lines and jeans that taper subtly at the waist instantly elevate your look. Accessories like a minimal watch or leather belt complete the effect. When your clothes fit, you project confidence naturally. The Man's Style Decree emphasizes that the right fit is the foundation of style for mature men. It signals awareness, discipline, and elegance. 2. Relying on old, faded jeans. Faded, worn-out jeans may feel comfortable, but they silently age your look. Old denim loses structure, shape, and color, making your overall outfit appear sloppy. Men over 50 should invest in dark, slim-straight, or tailored jeans with minimal distressing. A crisp shirt or lightweight knit paired with fresh denim elevates your style instantly. The fabric's quality and color depth convey refinement while keeping the outfit approachable and casual. The Man's Style Decree reminds men that choosing the right jeans is not about trend, it's about framing your body and projecting effortless confidence. 3. Ignoring footwear style and condition. Footwear is a silent communicator of style and self. Worn-out sneakers or scuffed shoes ruin even the sharpest outfit. Men over 50 should choose minimalist leather sneakers, suede loafers, or clean Chukka boots that are polished and maintained. Footwear should balance comfort with elegance. Subtle tones like white, brown, or tan pair seamlessly with casual trousers and chinos. The Man's Style Decree emphasizes that shoes are the foundation of a complete outfit. Neglect them, and the rest of your look falters. 4. Wearing graphic tees that scream midlife crisis. Graphic tees, while nostalgic, often signal immaturity in men over 50. Bold logos or loud prints detract from a sophisticated look. A refined wardrobe includes solid, textured, or subtly patterned t-shirts that frame your body and convey quiet confidence. Neutral colors like charcoal, navy, or olive are versatile and stylish. Pairing with slim chinos or tailored jeans keeps the outfit modern and effortless. The Man's Style Decree advises men to let personality show through posture, color, and fit, rather than printed messages. A subtle but powerful statement of maturity. 5. Neglecting proper grooming with casual outfits. Even perfectly tailored outfits lose impact if grooming is ignored. Men over 50 who neglect haircuts, facial hair, or skincare appear older and less confident. Grooming is part of style, not vanity. A neat haircut, well-maintained beard or a clean shave, and hydrated skin make casual outfits look polished. Combine a smart, fitted shirt with attentive grooming, and the effect is multiplied. The man's style decree stresses that grooming is as important as clothing. It completes the visual story of a man who respects himself and commands attention effortlessly. Six. Treating polo shirts like a uniform. Many men over 50 rely on polo shirts as a safe go-to, but treating them as a uniform can make you look stagnant. The problem is often outdated, fit, or plain color. Modern autumn polos are slightly heavier fabrics, like merino or fine, knit cotton, perfect for layering under lightweight jackets or vests. Choosing warm tones like olive, burnt sienna, or deep mustard adds seasonal richness. Fit is crucial. Structured shoulders and tapered waist create a refined silhouette. Pair with tapered chinos or wool blend trousers for a casual yet polished vibe. The man's style decree emphasizes that a well-chosen polo becomes a versatile cornerstone of autumn style, signaling attention and sophistication without effort. Seven. Mixing athletic gear with everyday outfits. Comfort is key, but gym clothing often clashes with casual autumn style. Track pants or old sneakers reduce elegance, especially for men over 50. Instead, integrate tailored joggers or corduroy pants with a soft cashmere or cotton crewneck sweater. This maintains mobility while enhancing style. Autumn layers allow experimenting with textures. Wool, corduroy, or knit blends create depth and warmth without bulk. Accessories like a leather strap watch or subtle scarf complete the look. The man's style decree reminds men that casual comfort can coexist with sophistication. Your wardrobe should work with the season, not against it. Eight. Ignoring the power of accessories. Accessories in fall are subtle but impactful. Scarves, watches, and bracelets can transform a simple outfit into a statement. Many men over 50 overlook this, sticking to bare wrists or minimalism without thought. Layered autumn outfits allow experimenting with leather gloves, patterned scarves, or textured belts. Accessories communicate refinement without overpowering your look. The man's style decree emphasizes that details create character, and a well-chosen accessory signals awareness and taste. In autumn, subtle contrast with warm tones enhances visual appeal. Nine. Wearing outdated outerwear. Men over 50 often cling to boxy or overly bulky jackets. In autumn, layering is essential but style matters. Lightweight wool or quilted jackets with modern cuts provide warmth without hiding your silhouette. Colors like olive, camel, or deep burgundy align with seasonal tones, elevating casual ensembles. A sleek jacket over a fitted shirt or knit adds structure and sophistication. The man's style decree stresses that outerwear is a statement. Choose pieces that enhance your frame and communicate refinement effortlessly. Playing it too safe with colors. Many men over 50 stick to navy, gray, or black in autumn, but overly safe palettes make outfits uninspired. Introducing warm seasonal hues like burnt orange, deep olive, or maroon revitalizes casual wear. Layering with textured fabrics will, corduroy, or lightweight knits adds depth and character. Proper combination ensures maturity without appearing dull. The man's style decree emphasizes that subtle color experimentation is a mark of refined confidence. It communicates awareness, personality, and effortless style. Layering correctly with autumn pieces. Layering is the cornerstone of autumn style for men over 50. Done correctly, it adds dimension, warmth, and sophistication without bulk. Start with a fitted base, like a soft cotton Henley or thin merino sweater. Then add a lightweight jacket or vest in complementary tones. The trick is proportion and color harmony. Each layer should enhance the silhouette, not overwhelm it. Accessories like scarves or leather gloves can accentuate style subtly. The man's style decree emphasizes that layering in autumn is an art. Proper combinations demonstrate awareness, create visual interest, and project effortless confidence. Proper fit for layered outerwear. Layered outerwear must fit harmoniously with your base layers. Men over 50 often overcompensate by sizing up jackets, creating bulk. Choose jackets slightly tailored at the waist and shoulders that allow movement but maintain sleek lines. Autumn fabrics like lightweight wool or quilted blends retain warmth without stiffness. Layering correctly highlights posture and confidence. The man's style decree reminds that proportion and fit together are crucial when every layer fits. Your outfit looks deliberate and stylish, not accidental. Using color coordination effectively. Autumn style is all about warm color coordination. Men over 50 can appear sophisticated by pairing muted or earthy tones like rust, camel, deep olive, or burgundy. Proper coordination ensures each element complements the others, creating balance without clashing. Layering textures, wool, corduroy, knit in matching palettes adds depth. The man's style decree stresses that intelligent color use demonstrates subtle confidence. It communicates a keen eye for style without overcomplication. 14. Properly layering scarves and accessories. Scarves and small accessories can elevate autumn outfits when layered correctly. Men over 50 should avoid wrapping scarves haphazardly. Instead, choose textures and tones that complement jackets or sweaters. Leather gloves, watches, or subtle bracelets add refined touches. Proper placement and coordination ensure the accessories enhance rather than overpower your look. The man's style decree. Accessories are not just decorative, they guide the eye and highlight sophistication in fall layers. (15) Choosing the right autumn fabrics. Autumn style requires appropriate fabrics: wool, corduroy, knit, and lightweight cotton. Men over 50 should prioritize fabrics that retain warmth, drape well, and maintain shape. The right fabric also enhances layering, giving structure without bulk. Choosing natural fibers in fall colors creates elegance while staying comfortable in cooler temperatures. The man's style decree stresses that fabric choice is as critical as fit-refined men show their attention to texture, quality, and seasonal appropriateness. That's it for today's guide on mastering casual style after 40 with autumn-ready outfits. Remember, small adjustments in fit, layering, colors, and accessories can make a huge difference in your confidence and presence. The man's style decree shows you how to dress smartly, comfortably, and stylishly without overcomplicating things. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join our community of men who embrace refined style every day. Step up your wardrobe, own your look, and let confidence define your presence.